There is one feature in HubSpot that you should really consider turning on, especially if you want to stay competitive in this day and age where all of your competitors are using AI. This feature will make sure that your system has the context it needs to give your sales a boost and give your business a boost with the information that we have in HubSpot. My name is Jasper. I'm a certified HubSpot consultant, and let me show you exactly what feature I'm talking about. So when we go to settings, the easiest way that I always think to get there is if you click on email and then email logging settings. So you click on email logging settings, and here you're going to see how your account is set up to log any emails within HubSpot. By default, this is usually set up to log email replies only. We can also change this to log all emails between known contacts in the CRM system and users. And I would highly recommend turning that feature on. The reason why is AI is incredibly powerful in understanding context. It can help you determine customer sentiment. It can help you determine the sentiment of contacts that are associated to a deal. And it will use this information to, for example, score whether a deal is likely to close or not. But of course, you also have all of this information available on demand by just using the assistant feature up here. Now, the issue, of course, is that if the information does not exist in HubSpot, your system is basically just flying blind. And I've seen this plenty of times on accounts that I'm working on. A sales rep will forget to log their email. They always like to use Outlook. They might not have their HubSpot integration set up properly. And this fixes all of that because you need to make sure, of course, that all of your sales reps and all of your customer success agents, that they all have their inbox connected to HubSpot. And then when you turn this feature on, HubSpot will automatically detect any email conversations with contacts in the CRM system and automatically log those emails. And of course, after that, you can look into permission settings to make sure that those emails are only visible to the people who should be able to see those emails. But trust me, this feature will make your life a lot easier and you will be able to get a lot more power out of HubSpot. Of course, together with a couple of other things that you need to be doing well. Just do a quick search for AI on my YouTube channel and you will find other videos that will help you make sure your HubSpot is set up correctly to get the most out of AI. If you like this video, I'm sure you're also going to like this video right here, which is about setting up sales sequences in HubSpot. My name is Jasper. I'm a certified HubSpot consultant, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.